In the heart of Chilanga District, a surprising activity is unfolding in the flood-prone area of Zesco Kalundu. Following seasonal floods, pools of water have settled across the community, creating an unexpected opportunity for residents. Armed with makeshift nets, baskets, and sheer determination, both young and the old are venturing into these waters not just for survival, but for profit. What started as a necessity has now grown into a daily routine, turning fishing in floodwaters into a livelihood for many. The once idle waters have become a source of sustenance and income, drawing more people into this unconventional trade. As Amon Banda explains his daily routine to Diamond News.
Amabwera pepano mafunza mguliza nsomba twagulisa nga utuli nga utuso pasa kwa choro 45 kai ni fresh mweona shida mweli ni fresh.
But as the practice gains momentum, questions arise. Is this water safe? Are the fish free from contamination? And what impact will this have on the local ecosystem? For now, the people of Zesco Kalundu continue to cast their nets, finding hope and opportunity in the very waters that once threatened their homes. Elfimwale Shampande, Diamond News.